Dear students, welcome to physics class and see today we will discuss in detail about acceleration, speed, velocity and acceleration. These are the three terms that we are going to discuss. As I have already discussed with you in previous video, that speed is defined as distance traveled per unit time. Okay, so it becomes that is speed equals to distance upon time and unit is meter per second. Here we are giving a quick review to speed and velocity. And second is velocity. It is defined as the displacement covered per unit time. Okay, so how much displacement our object is covering in 1 unit time, that is called as velocity, and again its units will be meter per second. Now we have a new term, that is acceleration. So acceleration is the rate of change of velocity per unit time. Okay, means change in velocity upon time. Okay, so dear students, how we are going to find out the change in velocity? So change in velocity is simply final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay, so that is, if I show my final velocity with v and initial velocity with u, then v minus u means final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. This whole term is known as acceleration. Okay, so here I will discuss one question with you. For example, I have a question and it says that an object travels an object that is traveling with a velocity of 10 meter per second changes its velocity to 2 meter per second in, let it be in 3 seconds. Okay, find the acceleration of the object. Okay, so see children, some of the quantities are given, so and we have to find out the acceleration. So first of all, for in the solution, whatever we are writing, we will write given. The first thing that we will write here will be given. Whatever quantities are given, we have to write those quantities first. So dear children, see here, an object is traveling with a speed of 10 meter per second. Okay, so earlier it was traveling with a velocity of 10 meter per second, and now its velocity becomes 2 meter per second. Okay, so there is a change of velocity from 10 meter to 2 meter. It means that how much is the change? 10 minus 2, so it becomes 8 meter per second. Okay, and time is 3 seconds. So first of all, we will write on our initial velocity was 10 meter per second. Okay, and final velocity will become 2 meter per second. Okay, so it will be 2 meter per second. Now we are given with time 3 seconds. And which quantity is asked? We have to find out acceleration. Acceleration we need to find out. So now I will apply my formula. So formula is A equals to V minus U by T, where V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, T is time. So dear children, it will become, so see, it will become A equals to, V is 2 and A is 10. So 2 minus 10 upon 3. Okay, so it comes out to be minus 8 upon 3. Okay, so your acceleration comes out to be minus 8 by 3, means minus 2.666 and so on, 2.6666 and so on. So I am rounding off it to be 2.667 or minus 2.67 meter per second square. Okay, so this is how we can find out the acceleration. Now here we have a negative sign. So what is the meaning of this negative sign? It means that acceleration is in opposite direction to that of motion. That is, with time our velocity will decrease. So this is called as negative acceleration, or we also call it as retardation. So the meaning of retardation is that it will be negative in magnitude and its overall effect will be to decrease the velocity. So whenever final velocity is less, we will get negative acceleration. Now we will I'll discuss one more question, and the question is, let us take a car changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 15 meter per second in 2 seconds. Okay. Then find the acceleration. Find the acceleration of the car. Okay, so dear children, first of all we will write down which quantities are given. So the first thing that is given is initial velocity. So initially it was moving with 5 meter per second. Okay, and finally it is moving with 15 meter. Final velocity is 15 meter per second. Okay, and what is asked? We are asked to find out acceleration, and one more thing is given, time is given. So I am also writing my time to be 2 seconds. Okay, so see children, now we are going to find out the acceleration. So I will write down the formula. So acceleration A will be equal to V minus U by T. Okay, so as is given in the question that V is 15 meter per second, so 15, initial velocity was 5. Okay, so U was 5 upon time was 2 seconds. Okay, so 15 minus 5 comes out to be 10 by 2. So our acceleration comes out to be 15 meter per second square. Okay, so dear children, see here our acceleration is positive in nature. It means that velocity increases as it is given in the question. Earlier it was 5, now it is 10. So here our acceleration is increasing the velocity. Okay, and the unit of acceleration, SI unit, is meter per second square. Meter per second square. So how it comes? So formula was change in velocity upon time. So change in velocity means here we will get the units of velocity. So meter per second upon the unit of time is second. So now our units will be meter per second into second. So it will be meter per second square. Okay, so the SI unit for acceleration is meter per second square. So that is all for today's lecture. Thank you and wish you good luck.